So I got this check in the mail today. Funny story, actually. A subscriber told me about this stock market contest from Horizons Beta Pro, which is an ETF company. It's got a bunch of ETFs that you could trade. And so they've got this contest that is collaborated with National Bank. I think it's once a year, and it's a contest where they give you $100,000 of fake money, of course, that you can invest. And I think it's an 8-week contest. And obviously there's prizes for winners. The one who gets the best return after 8 weeks obviously wins, I think, $7,000. But then they also have weekly prizes for the best weekly returns. So this is how I got this check here, $500. I believe week 5 was the week where I had the best return. I think it was 8%. Now, funny story, it's actually a little sad because, like I said, a subscriber told me about this contest. I didn't even know about it. And when I found out, I registered, of course. And I think the second day so basically it's only 8 weeks. So if you want the best returns in 8 weeks, it's going to be day trading, swing trading, of course. Plus, the platform does not allow you to buy or sell options or even stocks. It's only Canadian ETFs. You can only buy and sell Canadian ETFs. So the best way to manage that, you're not going to buy dividend stocks, of course. You only have 8 weeks. So you're going to have to use ETFs that are leveraged. And Horizons Beta Pro, they have ETFs that are 3 times leveraged. So basically, if they track, for example, the price of oil, if they have an ETF that tracks the price of oil, if oil goes up 1%, that day, in one day, that ETF will go up 3%. If oil goes down 2% the following day, that ETF will go down 6%. So if oil goes up 1% every day for 3 days, that ETF is going to go up 3% every day for 3 days. So it sort of compounds itself. So it's definitely risky. It's definitely a risky ETF to hold long term, but it's great for day trading because there's definitely more volatility, more movement. So that was my strategy going in, knowing that I don't have access to options and I only have 8 weeks. So the best way to grow that money fast is by trading triple leveraged ETFs. So with 100,000, they don't let you put it in one place. You have to the maximum you can put in one ETF is $25,000. So basically I can only make 4 trades. I can make more if I want, but to get the biggest return, I want to put the biggest amount in one place. Plus there were so many ETFs, I wasn't going to screen through all of them to decide which one to go for. Plus busy with my own stock market investing. So I actually went in the second day. All I did was buy 4 different ETFs. I bought 2 from Quadravest and I bought 2 from Horizons Beta Pro, Horizons ETFs. I basically just bought the ones that dropped hard that day. And then I think 3 days later, I was up maybe 4 or 5%. And then I just completely lost track of it. I completely forgot it. So apparently that following week, I ended up being 8% on top, or making an 8% return. I wasn't on top of the general leaderboard, but for that week, I was number 1. And I didn't even know about it. I forgot completely until after the contest was over. Someone from the company emailed me, or someone from the contest emailed me, saying that I won $500 for having the best return in week 5. And actually, when the email came in, the subject title was "Congratulations, you're the biggest winner." So of course, I didn't open that email, ignored it. And then 3 weeks after that, I got a similar email and I got a phone call. So then I decided to open the email, see what's that about. And then I read that it was from Horizons ETF. So I almost missed out on it. But you can't blame me. I mean, the title of the email suggests something fake, sounds like it's a scam or a fraud. And then when I spoke to the person that actually called me and emailed me, they said that if I wasn't going to answer the phone or answer the email that week, that they were going to move on to the second best return of that week. So I was definitely going to miss out on that $500. Although not too sure I deserve it because I just wasn't really following or trying so hard. I just bought it. I just bought 4 different ETFs and just completely forgot about it. But true story, the same day that I found out about this check, just found out about it, I got a ticket for rolling at a stop sign that same day for $170. So it was such a great feeling because for the first time in a very long time, I didn't care that a cop stopped me. I was like, Well, there goes a third of my check. Usually when I get stopped by a cop, I get nervous. I'm in a bad mood the whole day, the whole week. But this time when I got stopped, I didn't care whatsoever, didn't even argue, just gave him my driver's license right away. In fact, I probably didn't even say a word to the cop, not even a thank you or sorry or what did I do wrong. So I realized that power, that feeling is something I want to have, and it comes from having disposable income. So I'm really thankful that I got into the stock market, and I really hope that I can be consistent in my gains and income generated from the stock market, truly to buy myself peace of mind, financial freedom, and a stress-free life. What's crazy is that I didn't even know about this contest. A subscriber told me about it, and if that subscriber didn't tell me about it, I would not have won this. And if the person from the company didn't call me twice, I would not have gotten that check either. It would have gone to the second place of that week. So what do you guys think I should do? Should I thank the subscriber who let me know about the contest? Obviously, leave your answers in the comments section below. Should I give him a portion of the check? So now what am I going to do with the $500? Most likely, I'm going to transfer it straight to my TFSA, Questrade TFSA, which gives me 3 times the buying power. So this $500 becomes actually $1,500. Obviously the $1,000 is on margin, so there's interest rate on that. But it gives me $1,500 to use that I can buy a stock with and sell covered calls against it. So let's say I'm able to make 2% per month. That is about 2% on $1,500. That's $30 a month. So this $500 can actually generate me $30 a month, if not more. Or should I just go spend it somewhere? Fancy restaurant? Maybe I should go gamble. See if I can double it or triple it in one night. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would do with the money that you did not expect at all. Now, why do Horizon's ETFs have this contest in collaboration with National Bank? Now, is it to promote their products? Am I going to start buying their ETFs, trading their ETFs? Or am I going to start banking with National Bank to use their brokerage account? I guess it's one or the other. I guess it's to advertise their services at the same time. But I think in my case, it doesn't have an impact. So that's why I feel like maybe I don't deserve this, because I didn't even know about this contest. I knew about it last minute and I placed the trades and forgot about it. Plus, I'm never going to be using their services anyways. Regardless, I'm keeping the $500 straight to my TFSA. Hopefully I don't make a bad trade with it. Thanks for watching.